Okay, what we're going to look at here is how to make a back-to-back frequency histogram or a population graph. So what I've done over here is I've got in effect my frequency distribution table set up. You notice I've got my intervals just as single numbers. I'm very confident you can have it as 0 to 9 as we were doing in class, but I'm not going to do that for this sake. Now you see I've got my number of males that are within that interval and my number of females. You notice I've also got males and females over here. So what I'm going to do is actually recreate this frequency distribution table. Okay, so to do that I'm going to go equals that cell there, press enter and pull that down. Now that seems a little bit silly at this stage, but with the males I'm going to press equals then a -1 times this cell here. Press enter, so now I should get -3, and then what I should find is all my males are now negative numbers compared to over here. Okay, let's go draw the graph. Okay, so I'm going to highlight that column. Now I'm going to press and hold Control and highlight those two columns. So I've got 3 columns highlighted. Now it's insert, then I'm going to go to this graph down here. Okay, now you can see that looks something like our graph here. Okay, but I want to click this one and hopefully let's just check it. Here it is here. This is the one we want. So it's right click, format data series, and then look for this one, this series option here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is reduce the gap width to 0. The second thing I'm going to do is increase the series overlap to 100. Graph done. Okay, then you can click on there, double click there, change your chart title. Okay, then your design, you can add your chart elements, add your axes title. Okay, add them. Okay, you can also come down here and right click format legend in entry. You should be able to no, there is a way that you can also change. There it is. You can change the name of your series, so you can retype it in there as well. Okay, so that's how you make a back-to-back frequency histogram using Excel. Thanks for watching.